life, share my life. Just warming up the 3 ways.
Yes!
Hey Songbird, it's Kerry from thesongbbirdtree.com, and today I have a very, very, very exciting video for you. We're going to be talking about how to sing Whitney Houston's I Have Nothing, but not in your typical fashion, okay? At the end of the day, we know that Whitney is amazing and she's known for her big, massive voice, but if you listen carefully, right, and you really analyze the way she sings, she shows everything. She's got the soft, she's got the breathy, she's also got the powerhouse, chesty, bassy notes as well, but there's all these things and nuances in between. And so today I want to explore all of that so that you can actually decide for yourself, what kind of vocal style do I want to use that's unique to your voice? Let's get right in. So why don't we start at the beginning at verse 1. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways, right? We're going to do a more sort of soft, vulnerable head voice way, and then we're going to do a more light chest way, and then we're actually going to go full chest voice. And let's just see which way you like the most and which way actually feels most comfortable for your voice. Let's give this a shot, hey? Let's start with the head voice version. So that's going to be a lot more vulnerable. I might even try and put a little bit of breath into it, okay? So like this. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. All right, that was head voice. Now we're gonna put a little bit more oomph into it, and we're gonna just do a bit more light chest, okay? So not your full bore chest voice, but a light chest voice, okay? So like this. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Now, if I wanted to just go like, come on, everybody, I'm here, right? Then I might want to go full chest voice straight away, which would sound a bit more like this. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. There we go, 3 ways to sing verse 1. Okay, let's talk about the pre-chorus. I'm going to split this up into 2 parts, just because I'm going to choose to approach the first part of the pre-chorus in a different way to the second part. So, pre-chorus part 1, we are going to try in head voice. Now, with the head voice, right, what you want to do is have a little bit of aspirate or, right, breathiness into it. This is going to make it sound real cool. Okay, so like this. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. All right, so it's still very soft and it's kind of like drawing people in to listen to you, right? Without screaming in their face straight away. All right, the second way. Now I'm going to go light chest, okay? And in this, in the pre-chorus, I'm going to put a little bit of vocal fry into it, okay? Just for a little bit of, sexiness. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. Hear those bits of vocal fry and stuff? Just puts a little bit of character in there, right? And it also really expresses what she's saying. Like, I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. Let's go full bore chest voice now. So we're going to sing it with a whole heap more conviction now. And to keep that emotion in there and that passion in there, we're going to keep that vocal fry. All right, here we go. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. Yeah, all right, cool. So 3 ways there to sing the first pre-chorus section. All right, let's talk about the second part of the pre-chorus, all right, from the I Won't Hold It Back Again. So we're going to do this in 3 ways as well, but we're going to kind of combine and mix and match a little bit in terms of the vocal functions that we're using. So I'm going to start with a strong chest voice for the I Won't Hold It Back Again, blah, 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 but then we're going to move into a very drastically flipped, intentionally breathy head voice on the word hide. Okay, let's see how that sounds. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside, can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. The second way that I'm going to try and sing the second part of the pre-chorus is just keep it all in mix. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside. I can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. Now for the third way to sing the end of the pre-chorus, we're going to go mix into full belt on the word hide. Now this way I would suggest that it is best used for when in the second pre-chorus, when it goes into that really huge chorus and there's like they actually add a little bit more to the pre-chorus. I'll show you what I mean. I won't hold it back again, this passion inside. Can't run from myself, there's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever. Let's talk about the chorus, the very fun bit. So the first way is going to be complete head voice, and this is, to me, one of those beautiful ways to sing this chorus, right? Especially if you want to do it acoustic style. So say you've only got a guitar, or maybe you're accompanying yourself on piano and there's no full band and everything like that. It just brings a whole depth of vulnerability and, you know, just another way of expressing it, right? So here's what it would kind of sound like. Don't make me close one of my doors. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. Or must I imagine you there? Okay, now for the second way to sing the chorus. Now I'm actually going to mix and match head voice and chest voice. And what I really actually want to do is I want to begin and end my sentences with a very sort of strong chesty feel, but in between have like a word or two that kind of surprise people that go into a drastic head voice. This is what I mean. Don't make me close one of my door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare, or must I imagine you there? The third way is basically mixed belt, okay? So I guess the traditional way that we all know, the way that Whitney Houston delivers it, okay? Here we go. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare, or must I imagine you there? Okay, Songbird, I really hope that you had fun watching this because I had so much fun making this. It just really got all my creativity happening and I hope that inspired you in the same way. Now, if you happen to want to hear me sing the full version of this song, please, in the comments, let me know. And yeah, we'll see what happens, hey? Now, Songbird, if you love Whitney Houston and you'd love more tips on how to sing another one of her songs, How Will I Know? I actually have an incredible exercise which actually takes you through exactly what to do in order to sing that song and belt those high and loud notes with confidence. And all you gotta do is sign up to get it for free at the description box below. Yeah. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to the channel to get more videos from me. Now, Songbird, know that I am always believing in you.
Next up is...
All right, now the third way that we're going to sing. Okay, I'll let you sneeze.
No,
While the sandwich, well, the bread. That sounds so dumb.
No.
Anyway, let me try that again, okay?
The bagel.
I came up with that all by myself.
Wow.